2, 1.
I'm Brian Kaczynski. I'm from Charlotte, North Carolina, and I'm here at Arkana Spiritual Center in Peru. I made a decision to come here to Arkana only 2.5 weeks ago, believe it or not. And as many of us are on spiritual journeys and seeking, I was in the middle of a dry January, and I decided to take things to the next level. And I've always wanted to do an ayahuasca retreat. And I've heard so many great things about the experience. And I said, what a great follow-up to a dry January and prepping my body for something like ayahuasca. And I found Arkana on an internet search, and it just felt right. I was looking around, there's lots of options out there, but Arkana really spoke to me. And it was everything from the blue butterfly in the logo to just the way that the website came up and made me feel like I was connected to it. So I clicked around, and I was looking for the next available retreat, and believe it or not, January 30th was available. And I took a big leap of faith. I clicked it, and from the moment that I clicked to make the decision to come here, my life started changing for the better. Improvements in my life were obvious. My family noticed that I was really happier, and I was, full of light, and I was in the right direction. It was a big journey to get here because of some canceled flights, and I realized that was part of the experience. That was part of my journey, was some frustration to get here to this point, to go on this spiritual journey. And when I finally got here, I opened up the gates of Arkana, and the staff greeted me with open arms, and it was absolutely beautiful. I felt home, I felt welcome, and I knew that I was in the right place. I knew I'd made the right decision. This has been one of the most amazing weeks of my life, and I can tell you with all honesty that ayahuasca has changed my life for the better. The process and everything that they do here at Arkana is amazing. It is life-changing, it is transcendental, and I tell anyone that this is the place for you if you are seeking anything to make yourself feel good. I feel one. I'm whole, I'm healed, I am happy. Thank you, Arkana.